Hi, in this video I will briefly explain verivyx. Verivyx is a paywall that allows you to monetize a website containing content, articles, or the like. So, what is meant by monetization here is that if an AI bot or crawler accesses it, they will be required to pay to get the content. But if it is a human, it will be free, like browsing in general. To use it, we can sign up and register first. Once done, the initial view for the creator dashboard will look like this. What we need to do is set up the integration. There are three ways here: using the software development kit, WordPress, and embed script. For WordPress, you use a plugin, and for the software development kit, we can read the documentation right here. As for how to use it, if we use WordPress and have downloaded it, then the display will look like this once we have uploaded it. For the first time, if you are using this plugin, you are required to connect to get the token. Once done, there is a configuration here for which parts we want to protect. Yeah, for example, here we have posts and pages. So if we use a simple curl little data, the response will look like this. The content is protected, and if we browse authentically, then the content will appear as usual. The same goes for the SDK. If we browse normally, the content will appear like this. But if we try with a simple curl approach, then it will be required to pay like that. So here verivyx has a playground to try things out. How this all works, it is right over here. Then we will perform testing using a MCP. MCP here is an MCP that allows an agent or AI to pay if it receives a 402 or payment required response. So the model context protocol here is still in the development feature stage and early access only. Let's try it. So to use the model context protocol, we can go to settings. For this example, I am using Cloud AI. Here, goes to connector, customize, then select add new. Adding new looks something like this. Then enter verivyx. Here, enter the URL. mcp.verivyx.com/mcp. Once that is done, we just click add. Okay, since I have already exists. Here I will demonstrate by removing it first. List it as that, then I will try adding a new one. Like this. Once that is done, we can try these MCP tools. So we can try using the verivyx connector that we added earlier to that URL. For example, saya makian kay pavoasadikan. For example, two websites that we have protected using the verivyx plugin in WordPress and the software development kit. It is still in the process stage. Okay. So it has been successful here. If we Claude AI accesses it directly, it will get a 402 response. But if you use a connector or pay to access it, then the content will appear like that. So here we can go to the transaction section. Let's refresh. So here are the transactions that have been recorded from the demo example earlier. So here the AI pays the contract and the contract will distribute it to the creator and the platform fee. More or less, that is how it works. Okay, for the explanation and one more thing, here we have an admin dashboard. The admin dashboard is an analytics tool used by admins to analyze or monitor this platform. So here we have real-time gross merchandise value, profit, then network activity, how many are accessing, blocked bots, then real people or verified ones or those who pay. So it is here. So here is an example of the creator. Here is the collection of transactions. Here are the audit logs, and here there is an MCPE for granting access for the early access. That is all for the explanation. Thank you.